Hi, and welcome to the course, How to Make 2D iPhone Games. Thank you for purchasing the course. You're going to learn a heck of a lot in a very short amount of time. You will learn the basics of the SpriteKit framework, which is the framework used to make 2D games for iPhone and iPad. Then you're going to run through a spaceship game. You'll learn about so many things, so many basic components of building a game in that section. Some really interesting functionality there and an interesting challenge for you. Then you're going to build a physics simulator to learn the basics of physics within a iPhone or iPad project. And from that foundation, you will build a multi-level physics-based game. So not only will you learn how to implement physics into a game, you'll learn how to create multiple levels for a game. From there, you're going to move on to a endlessly scrolling game, which is also a multi-state game. You'll learn about the game state machines in that section, which is a really powerful tool for building games. And then you'll learn a little bit about how to use the accelerometer even. So there's just dozens and dozens and dozens of capabilities that you're going to learn throughout this course in a very short amount of time. Welcome to this course on building 2D iPhone games. I hope you learn a lot, and let's get started right now.